and documentary. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Hello and welcome to our video about the Amazon jungle, the largest tropical rainforest in the world. The Amazon jungle covers an area of over 7 million square kilometers and spans across 9 countries in South America. In this video, we'll explore the biodiversity and natural beauty of the Amazon jungle and its importance to the world. Overview of the Amazon jungle. The Amazon jungle is a vast and complex ecosystem that is home to an incredible array of plants and animals. The forest is so dense that sunlight barely reaches the ground, creating a unique habitat for life. There are thousands of different species of trees in the Amazon, many of which can grow up to 60 meters tall. Wildlife of the Amazon jungle. The Amazon jungle is also home to an incredible array of wildlife. Some of the most iconic animals found in the jungle include jaguars, anacondas, capybaras, tapirs, and the pink river dolphin. The jungle is also home to a vast number of bird species, such as the harpy eagle, macaws, and toucans. The Amazon River, the second longest river in the world, is a crucial habitat for many species of fish and other aquatic animals. Importance of the Amazon jungle. The Amazon jungle is not only home to an incredible variety of life, but it also plays a crucial role in the global ecosystem. The forest is responsible for producing 20% of the world's oxygen and helps regulate the planet's climate. The Amazon is also a source of numerous natural resources such as timber, rubber, and medicinal plants. Additionally, the Amazon is home to many indigenous communities that have been living in the jungle for thousands of years. Threats to the Amazon jungle. Unfortunately, the Amazon jungle is facing numerous threats that are putting the ecosystem at risk. Deforestation is a major issue in the Amazon, as trees are cut down to make room for agriculture and mining. Illegal hunting and fishing also threaten many animal species. Climate change is also having an impact on the Amazon, as rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns can affect the survival of many plants and animals. Conservation efforts. Despite the challenges, there are many organizations and individuals working to protect the Amazon jungle. Efforts to combat deforestation include the creation of protected areas and the promotion of sustainable land use practices. There are also initiatives to reduce illegal hunting and fishing in the jungle. Indigenous communities are working to preserve their traditional knowledge and ways of life, which can help protect the jungle as well. Conclusion. The Amazon jungle is one of the most important ecosystems on the planet. and its survival is crucial for the well-being of the entire world. By raising awareness about the threats facing the Amazon and supporting conservation efforts, we can help ensure that this incredible ecosystem is preserved for generations to come. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video about the Amazon jungle.